A new era of motorcycle excellence, the Honda Beyond the Blade isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement of Honda's commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and performance. From the moment the unboxing begins, it's clear that this machine is something extraordinary. Packaged with the utmost care, the unboxing process is designed to be an experience in itself, creating a sense of excitement and wonder as each layer is revealed. Design and innovation. The Honda Beyond the Blade is a masterpiece of design and innovation. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines are not only visually stunning, but also engineered for optimal performance. The bike features advanced materials, including lightweight carbon fiber and high-strength alloys, resulting in a perfect balance of strength and agility. Underneath its striking exterior, the Beyond the Blade is powered by a state-of-the-art engine that delivers breathtaking speed and acceleration. The integration of cutting-edge electronics and rider aids ensures a ride that is as safe as it is exhilarating. Honda's proprietary technology, including adaptive suspension and intelligent braking systems, provides unparalleled control and responsiveness. The unboxing experience, a collector's dream for collectors and enthusiasts. The unboxing of the Honda Beyond the Blade is a dream come true. Each step of the process is designed to enhance the owner's connection with their new motorcycle. The meticulous attention to detail, from the packaging to the presentation, underscores the significance of this limited edition release. As the bike is unveiled, the excitement builds. The Honda Beyond the Blade isn't just a machine. It's a work of art, a testament to Honda's legacy of innovation and excellence. The unboxing experience is more than just a reveal. It's a celebration of engineering prowess and a glimpse into the future of motorcycling.